have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the apps icon. Now choose settings. Scroll down again and select system. So here you have to find and select the reset option. Now choose reset app preferences, the second option right here, and this will reset all preferences for the disabled apps, disabled app notification, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's choose reset apps. And that's it, you just reset app preferences. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.